video, and in the previous video I told you about the rules that we use to make images of an object in spherical mirrors. And in this video I'll show you the formation of images in both the mirrors, in spherical mirrors. So I had drawn two concave mirror here on this side and two convex mirrors, and I'll show you objects at two different positions in both the mirrors. Okay, so let's start. So I taken first one. See, this is a concave mirror which is polished from outside, and I've taken point. This is center of curvature, this is focus, and this is pole. Now in the first one I have to place an object between C and F. Okay, so I have to place an object between C and F. So let this be here. I'm placing my object here at this position between C and F. Let this be object AB. Okay, AB is my object. Now I'll show you the ray formation. I have to use any two rules out of the four which I told you to make an image of an object. So let's start. I'll take first one, a ray which is parallel to principal axis. A ray which is parallel to principal axis, the incident ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection will pass through focus, So this is my reflected ray. Okay, the ray which is incident to parallel axis, incident to this principal axis, always passes through focus. And the second one, if a ray falling on the mirror passes through F like this, okay, if my incident ray is such that it is passing through F and then to the mirror, then after reflection it would be parallel to principal axis. So this is my reflected ray in the second case. I've used two rules. Okay, first, a ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection will pass through focus. Second, from an object light is coming which is falling on the mirror passing through F, then it will be parallel to principal axis. Now where an image is formed? The image is formed where the two reflected rays meet. So which is my first reflected ray? This one. Which is my second reflected ray? This one. Where they are meeting? It's meeting at this point. It's meeting at this point. Okay. So it's meeting at this point. It means at this position my image is forming. I get an image at this position. I will touch that point to the principal axis and this will be my image. So image is inverted. So this is, let this be B position, B dash, and this point be A dash. Okay, so this is my image. Now let's see the nature of image. Okay, the nature of image. So when we say nature of image, we have to say whether it is real or virtual. And we know that image which can be obtained on a screen is a real. Yes, and I can place a screen here. I can place a screen in front of a mirror, and so it means it is a real one. Okay, so nature of image, it is real. Okay, it is real, and real is always inverted. So real and inverted. Okay, see this, the top here becomes a bottom here and the bottom here becomes a top here. So it is real and inverted. Okay, then about the size of an object. See this, it's slightly larger than the object. So you can say it is larger than object. Okay, then its position now, where it is formed. Okay, where was the object? Object was in between C and F. It was in between C and F. Where the image is formed. See this, it is beyond C. It is beyond C. C के पीछे बना है. So it is beyond C. It is beyond C. So in this way, using the rules, we can form an image of an object, and we have done this in a concave mirror. Now another position in a concave mirror. Let's try here how the image gets formed. Okay, the position which I had selected here is that my object is in between F and P. Okay, my object is in between point F and P. What is F? It's focal focus point and P is pole, and my object is somewhere in between these two. So I made this object. Okay, this is A, B. This is my object. Now I'll use another rule. First I'll take this one only. Array which is parallel to principal axis. Array which is parallel. The incident ray coming from the object to the mirror, if it is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will pass through focus. It will pass through focus. It will pass through focus. Okay. So array which is first parallel to principal axis, after reflection will pass through focus. It would pass through focus. Second, what happens if a ray which is coming through an object and falling on a mirror, if it is passing through C, if somewhere C lies on it. Okay, so I'm drawing another one. So I'll use this. Okay, blue, with only blue I'll draw. So if my ray is such that it's emerging from this object and passing through point C. Okay, see this, a ray is coming from this object and falling on a mirror, and if you extend it somewhere, it is passing through C. Okay, अगर मैं इसे पीछे extend करती हूँ तो yes, it is passing through C. So if my ray is like this, what will happen? It will reverse back. Okay, it will reverse back. So this will be the reflected ray. This will be the reflected ray. Okay, so see this, that the two reflecting rays, one reflecting ray is this one, another reflecting ray is this one, and the two rays are diverting here. It's not meeting somewhere. Okay, on this side it's not meeting, it's diverging. ये फैल रही है इधर. So where they will meet? ये कहाँ मीट करेगी? If I extend this line, इस लाइन को अगर मैं इधर इस साइड एक्सटेंड करूँ, okay, I'm extending this on the back. मैं इसे बैक में एक्सटेंड कर रही हूँ. And another reflected ray, I'll extend again here at the back. अगर मैं इसको यहाँ बैक में एक्सटेंड करूँ, तो where they are meeting? It's meeting here. So I'll make a line. I'll make a perpendicular line on this principal axis. Okay, इसको हम extend कर लेते हैं. So here I got the image of an object. And this position, this image which I got here is not a real one, because it's somewhere inside the mirror. You cannot go inside. It's not forming at the back of the mirror. Okay, you cannot obtain this image on a screen. You cannot obtain this on a screen. So it's somewhere inside. Okay, so this is, if I'll ask you the nature of image, it is virtual. It's not real. It's not real. So in this case, if I'll ask you about the nature of image here, so it is virtual, and virtual is always erect. Virtual, and that is always erect. And erect means top remains top. This is A. So this becomes A dash. This is an image. So let this be A dash and B dash. This is an object. This is an image. Okay. And image is virtual. Virtual is which one? Which cannot be obtained on a screen. You cannot place an object, a screen somewhere inside a mirror. And this is erect. And second, what about the size now? Okay. Size of an image. It's larger. It's magnified. Bada ho gaya. Okay. It's magnified. It's magnified. And what is the position? What is the position? So it is forming somewhere inside the mirror. It's forming somewhere inside the mirror. Okay, forming somewhere inside the mirror. In copy, we show it behind the mirror. In our copy, or I had two also shown here behind the mirror, but it's actually forming somewhere inside the mirror. Okay, you cannot obtain it. It's not real. It's not real inside the mirror. And in our copy, we show it behind the mirror. In our copy, we show it behind the actual position. We show it by extending the line, and thus we are showing it behind the mirror. Okay. This is behind the mirror. So in this way you can draw images. Okay, now let's see for two different positions I have shown in will show you in a convex mirror also. So let's do this one now. Where is my where I have to keep my object? It is in front of a mirror. Now you cannot say keep an object at C or F, because all these points are imaginary and somewhere inside. Okay, and this is the reflecting surface. So only two positions you can keep it here. First in front of a mirror, and second very far from the mirror, that is at infinity. So let this be, this is my object AB. This is my object A and B. Okay. Now a ray, we'll use again the rules. Okay, a ray which is parallel to principal axis, a ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection will seems to diverge from some point inside, and that point will be F. Okay, so it seems to diverge from some point inside. It seems to diverge from some point inside. If you extend this, ये रे जो यहाँ पे आई है ये ऐसे चली जाएगी, डाइवर्ज हो रही है, and if you extend this you will find that it is passing through F only. Okay, so from some point F it is diverging. So this is the incident ray, this will be the reflected ray. A ray which falls like this will reflect back and it will diverge from some point inside the F. तो रूल तो वो फॉलो कर रहा है, जो पैरेलल है वो कहीं फोकस से होता हुआ डाइवर्ज हो रहा है. ओके, एंड सेकेंड, लेट्स यूज सेकेंड रूल हम यूज करते हैं, वो वाला यूज कर लेते हैं कि अगर ऑब्जेक्ट से कोई रे P पर आती है, मैं ये वाला रूल यूज कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के साथ में ऑब्लिकली जितना एंगल बनाता है, ऑब्लिकली उतना ही एंगल बना के वो इधर से निकल जाता है. तो जितना एंगल इसने यहाँ बनाया, बिकॉज दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर एट दिस पॉइंट, तो उतना ही एंगल बना के ये ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. सी this is the first ray I taken, the ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection will diverge from some point inside, that is F, and the one which is falling at point P from this object, if a ray is falling at point P, then the angle which it makes with the principal axis उतना ही angle बना के ये reflect हो जाएगी. Now see where the image is formed. Image is formed where the two reflecting rays meet. But see the reflecting rays in this case. एक reflecting ray इधर जा रहा है, एक reflecting ray इधर जा रहा है. ये तो कभी भी meet नहीं करेगा इस साइड, क्योंकि दोनों फैल रहा है, कभी भी meet नहीं करेगा. तो अगर वो इस साइड फैल रहा है तो कहाँ meet करेगा? If you extend it in the backward direction. If you extend it in the backward direction, तो मैं इस रे को तो मैंने ये एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है. ठीक है, इस रे को मैंने एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है. इस वाले रिफ्लेक्टेड रे को भी, ये जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे है, दोनों रिफ्लेक्टेड रे को हम पीछे की तरफ एक्सटेंड करेंगे. तो मैं इस रे को पीछे की तरफ बढ़ा देती हूँ. ओके, पीछे की तरफ बढ़ा देती हूँ. ये मैंने इसको पीछे डॉटेड लाइन से बढ़ा दिया. ओके, डॉटेड लाइन से क्यों? बिकॉज ये एक इमेजिनरी लाइन है, हम मिरर के अंदर कैसे जा सकते हैं. ओके, अब जहाँ पे दो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मीट करती है, तो मीट ये यहाँ पे हो रही है ना, यहाँ पे तो फैल रही है, इधर मीट हो रही है, पीछे एक्सटेंड करने पे इट्स मीटिंग. सो दिस पॉइंट, ये जो पॉइंट है, यहाँ पर इमेज बनेगी. जहाँ पे दो रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे मीट करती है वहीं पे इमेज बनती है. एंड सी दिस, ये इमेज कैसे बनी है? ये इमेज जो है, अगर मैं इसका नेचर लिखूं तो ये वर्चुअल है. अगेन इट कैन नॉट बी ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन स्क्रीन. स्क्रीन हम कहाँ रख सकते हैं? हम स्क्रीन जो है मिरर के सामने रख सकते हैं. ये तो मिरर के अंदर कहीं है, यू कैन नॉट प्लेस. ठीक है, सो अगेन इफ आई राइट द नेचर ऑफ इमेज हियर, इफ द नेचर ऑफ इमेज हियर, इट इज वर्चुअल. इट इज virtual, and virtual is always erect. See, this is A dash and this is B dash. Okay, virtual and erect. It is virtual and erect. Then regarding the size, so size is, see this, it's smaller, it's diminished. ठीक है, ये smaller है, object से काफी छोटा है. And its position, तो position कहाँ है? Between, अगर हम ऐसे देखें, हमने यहाँ पे अगर P, F, C points दिए हुए हैं, so it is forming somewhere between P and F. Okay, it's forming between somewhere between P and F. हमारा P और F के between P and F यहाँ पे इमेज बन रहा है. ठीक है, let's come to the next one. हमने क्या पोजीशन लिया है? Infinity we had taken. ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो बहुत दूर है. And if an object is very far, we consider that the light coming from it, they are parallel to each other. तो हम बहुत दूर है तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं दिखाते हैं, we only show the light rays coming from it. So all the light rays coming from that object, let's see that they are parallel to each other. अगर rays parallel होती हैं, if the incident rays coming to the mirror are parallel to the principal axis, तो वो F point से होते हुए जाता है. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसे निकल जाएगा and this too, ये ऐसे निकल जाएगा. ये रिफ्लेक्टेड रे हो गया इस वाले का and this will be the reflected ray of this one. ठीक है, अगर मैं ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर एक रे ऐसे आ रही है, लेट इट बी कि यहाँ पे हमने एक रे लिया है, तो इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट बैक फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. इस तरह से ये रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. ये सारी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे इस साइड में फैल रही हैं, तो वेयर दे विल मीट, दे विल मीट इफ यू एक्सटेंड इट इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. और वो कहाँ जाके मीट हो रही है, एफ पॉइंट पे मीट हो रही है. सो इफ आई टू राइट अ नेचर, अगेन इट इज नॉट ऑन अ स्क्रीन. स्क्रीन हम इस साइड रख सकते हैं, इधर नहीं. तो इट इज वर्चुअल. दिस इज अगेन अ वर्चुअल एंड it is erect only. अगर हम उसको मैग्नीफाई करके देखें, it's erect only. Virtual is always erect. And regarding the size, so it is of point size. बहुत ही छोटा size का है. It's of point size. Diminished means very very small. Diminished it is. And about where it is formed, it is formed at C, at F. Image is formed at F. Okay. So I've shown you the formation of images in the two types of mirrors, spherical mirrors, at different positions. So in this way, at other positions also you can make images. Okay, I hope you like this video and just practice at home. Bye.